I found this decorative wall basket from Dollar General. It was $3. And I'm going to take a little bit of Wise Owl Snow Owl. This is just a white paint. And I'm going to dry brush it on top of the entire basket. Now you do not have to add any of the white if you do not want to. Next, I got this square wreath form from Dollar Tree, and the basket measures 9 by 7 inches. It fit perfectly inside the square wreath form here, and I'm just going to take some green floral wire and add some to the right and left side, attaching the decor wall basket to the wreath form. You can also use zip ties, but I just wrapped a little bit of this green floral wire on the center weave of the basket. And once you feel like it's secure, you're just going to trim any extra floral wire. Next, I got this artificial pad of grass from Hobby Lobby. It was $2.99. You can find it by the Easter decor. And I'm going to use my cutters and just cut the grass into strips. Now there's a grid on the back side, and I felt like you could just cut in strips of just one square. And once I had all my strips cut, I'm going to take more of the floral wire and attach the strips inside of the wreath form. Now you can cut this however you want. The goal is just to fill the entire inside of the wreath form. It was helpful having the little grid on the back side. It gave me something to attach to the wreath form, and I just went around the entire square. I found this Easter garland from Dollar Tree. They're just little plastic eggs, and I'm going to remove them from the garland. They have a very, very tiny hole at the top and bottom that you cannot even see, and I'm going to glue those around the square. So I'll start in the bottom left corner, and I'm just rotating through the colors and adhering that to the grass with some hot glue. You can add more or a different style egg, whatever fits your decor. I'm going to use my wood letters and spell the word tweet. I got these small little wood letters from Michael's. I'm going to paint them using some Wise Owl black paint. Once that was dry, I had these little paper banners. I believe I got them from the scrapbook section of Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to glue each word into its own little banner. And I'm just using some hot glue. And then I'll string those little banners onto a piece of jute. Once the banners were strung onto the jute, I'm then going to attach it to the top of the decor basket. And I'm just going to use some hot glue to hold the paper banners in place. And the jute is kind of there just for decoration. I will be adhering each banner to the top of this decor basket with the hot glue. I like to start with the first and last letter and then glue the center ones in place. I'm then going to take some artificial Spanish moss. You can get this from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm going to fill that into the bottom of the decor basket. And I'm adhering it with some hot glue. I found these really cute chicks from Michael's. They were $2.99 each, and they had a little rod in them. I just pulled the rod out, and I'm going to glue both of the chicks inside the decor basket onto the Spanish moss. And I thought they were just the cutest little thing. I had to have them. And they went perfect with this wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.